How to summarize a website or web page using Galaxy AI on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other Samsung S25 series. This is automatically summarized web page feature available for Samsung Internet browser on your device. To use it, open the Samsung Internet browser on your device. So open the Samsung folder on your device. Tap the Internet on your device. Here open the website. Like here we open website. Now we open a website, like any website on your device. So here we open Quora on my device. In the latest Samsung Galaxy AI or any other Samsung device, at the bottom middle you can find the Galaxy AI icon. So tap on it. When you tap on the Galaxy icon, you can see the summarize option, translate option, and read highlight aloud. So you can use this feature. So tap on the summarize to automatically create this feature to important points. Tap on summarize. Now it will automatically summarize this. You can see everyday life tips. This is the title. What are the most useful tips for everyday life? It will convert it to useful everyday life tips. Also converts main point like this. So you can. This is one of the best or most useful feature if you want to sort your article or sort any website page or any web page to your Samsung device. You can also copy it. Tap on a copy to copy to desktop or also translate these. Tap on a translate to translate the language. Here you can select the language, add language you want from available list. Tap on add language. Here you need to download your language to convert this. So very helpful feature to summarize web page or summarize website using AI on your Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.